Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have part 2 of my review for DPClubs. So let's get started here. Hang on, I gotta move some stuff around. All right. So we'll start with the first one. It's a 14 count. It's 36 by 42. It says Bouquet and Pomegranate. And it is a Joy Sunday, and it is pre-stamped. Let's get it out of the bag here. That is, if I can get it out of the bag. All right. Flip it over. But yeah, I thought this was kind of pretty. Kind of different. And it was, let's see, $7.79. So, typical Joy Sunday. I'll show this once. Does have all the instructions on the back of the heavy-duty plastic bag that you get. So that's nice. They're all convenient, and you can store your project in it. And it has a paper pattern. Paper pattern will not match the canvas for symbols, that is. It has full stitch, half stitch, back stitch, and French knots, and it has 34 colors. So yeah, has a nice picture. It is 160 by 185, so it's going to be nice size. And the paper, well, you have your key on one page and a picture of it, and then you have the actual pattern all on one page. It's very nice, big, and easy to read if you want to use it, or if you're looking for something in particular. It does have some back stitching, but they're basically just lines, a little bit going around the flowers, and a little bit going around the pomegranate. That could be a hot mess. Holy cow. Yeah, let's take a look at those colors. It does come with 2 needles, and this is one of those nice, hang on, everything's all attached here. Nice ones that has the red numbers. Let me turn it this way. The red numbers are how many strands you have of it, then you have your DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. So these are very nice. I like the way they're doing that. And it does have a product number that was on the front. And it tells you it's 14 count. Comes with 2 small needles. So let me pull that off. So you have some tans and some white, which is B5200. And then we have all the bright colors. Very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Very nice. Pinks, reds, greens, tan, brown, golds, bright orange, bright orange, like a yellow orange, and then a lighter yellow orange here. Regular orange, bright red. No 666 red, but that's 606. So very nice colors. We roll that back up. Excuse me. Then let's look at the canvas. So it's nice and big. You don't do the background, it is a partial. I'd say 90% of this is going to be back stitched, especially that pomegranate there. But you do have your own separate key and symbols for the canvas alone. So these are all your regular colors down here. And you flip it sideways. You have your French knots, your half stitch, and your back stitch. There are there's 8 different back stitching colors. So very nice, very well detailed. Let me turn it around again. Don't mean to make you dizzy. Holy cow. I'm going to have to move that bell. It is serged all the way around in Joy Sunday fashion. It is 42 centimeters that way, and 36.5 centimeters, or 14 and a little over, almost 14.5 actual picture size is a little off of 11.5 or 29.5 centimeters by 33.5 centimeters, 33.5, or about 13.25. So not too big. Very nice. Do you like that? I love the feel of the Joy Sunday canvases. They're smooth, they're not rough. Very nice. And they do break down so that, you know, you can grab your hand into it, or, you know, to hang on to it. Some people put them in Q-snaps, but I just can't do that. I'm sorry. So next we have another Joy Sunday kit, and this is called the Little Birdhouse, and it's 28 by 28. And it's got some back stitching in it. You got two little birds and a pretty little birdhouse. Looks like, oh, I want to say lilacs, but maybe not so much. There's a lot of back stitching in their backs on the birds, and then on the front of the house, and kind of around the edges. Let's take a look. It does have instructions on the back like the last one. And this one was $5.99, but it is kind of small. It's smaller than that first one I showed you. So isn't that pretty? I just love that little yellow birdhouse. And the birds, it's just gorgeous. But it's going to be kind of small. This has 37 colors. It has full stitch, back stitch, and French knots. It's 112 by 112. So it is square, and the pattern's all on one page. And symbols will not match the canvas. They have their own set, just like Joy Sunday always does. But yeah, there's a lot of pretty colors in here. Just beautiful. Let's take a look at those beautiful colors. It does come with 2 needles, same kind of card as the last one. And these two are together as well. Got lots of purples, kind of a yellow orange, if you will, and B5200 white. And then we have all these pretty colors. Got some 310, but not a whole lot. I think most of it's going to be on the birds, a bird's head, and that hole in all the windows. So hopefully that all covers all that. And you got purples and pinks and greens and pale blues. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Yeah, very nice. Let me roll that up and we'll get to the canvas. So like I said, it's not very big. It's kind of oblong, if you will. It does have a nice key along the bottom. You can see all the symbols really well. You have your back stitch, your French knots, and then the full regular stitch colors all go like down and around. Very nice. Does have those product numbers again up on top. And it does also tell you, I didn't show you that, it tells you how big it is. It's 112 by 112 here. It is 28 centimeters that way, 26 and a half or 10.5 inches. Actual picture size is 7 3/4 or about 20 centimeters that way, and 20.5 centimeters this way, or 8 inches. So it'd fit in an 8 by 8. The whole thing, you could put it in a 10 by 10 with like a little bit of a white border all the way around. So that's kind of nice. Very nice. I like it. And it's got more to it than the pomegranates. It's got a lot more stitching, you know, like cross stitching. But it still is a partial, because you don't do this white part here, or the little bits of white part there. So very nice. Very nice. I think that would be fun to stitch. All right. And the last one we have, let me get it out of the bag. I saw this and I just thought it was oddly different. It is a 40 by 50 and it was $10.79. I was just taking a look. Now this is not Joy Sunday, but it has a beautiful picture with all these beautiful, beautiful colors. It's one of the newer ones. It does have the product number, how big it is. It's 148 by 191. So it's got some size to it. It does come with the instructions at the bottom, just like on the back of the Joy Sunday bag. But it is a nice big paper pattern. Very nice. Nicely done. It has 48 colors. It does have all the colors along the sides and DMC symbol and the number on the thread card. This is a very easy to read pattern. Very easy to see all the different symbols. It is graphed all the way around. So very nice. Fold it in half, but it is huge. It's ginormous. It's almost 2 feet. I mean, this piece of paper alone is 18 inches. So, yeah. Let's take a look at what colors we have here. We have no 310. We have 550 purple. We have 823, 939, no 3371, and we do have some 3865 if I could just talk. But yeah, I'm just impressed at how big this is and how nicely printed. There's no smears. It's very easy to see. Yeah, love that. Does come with a toolkit, poof ball, 5 needles, thimble, and a needle threader. So very nice. Let me put that up there so it stays with that. And let's take a look at all those beautiful pinks and purples. And yeah, I just loved colors on this. Just scrumptious. Get that out of my way. Don't see any extra, you know, hanks of thread. But look at all the pinks and purples it has. It's just stunning, stunning colors. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh. Can you ever? Oh my goodness. We got blues and we got coral and we got salmon and we got pinkish purple and pink and tan brown. Just gorgeous. There's some greens in there. But just absolutely stunningly beautiful colors. And here's all the rest of the purples and blues. So lots and lots of gorgeous, 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 gorgeous colors. Love them. Let me turn that here. That way. It's a lot of thread. But it is an 11 count. I'm going to cut these suckers off the bottom. Oh, I couldn't find my other scissors, so I had to get the heavy ones. Alright, let's look at this canvas. It is serged all the way around. They barely put the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And the stitching goes down the side here. It's not in the way of the numbers at all, but the paper pattern will match on this one. Very nice. It's a lovely size. I like that 40 by 50. I really do. The more I get of them. Just gorgeous. And it's got confetti in it, but you know, you're going to have that. But it does have rivers of color, you know, to break it up. And, you know, you don't get lost in one corner for 4 days. I'm telling you, I've had these areas. let's turn this way and measure. It is 50 centimeters that way and 40.5 that way. Actual picture size is 34 centimeters or almost 13.5 by 44.5 centimeters or 17.5. So very nice size. I'm trying to roll up my tape measure there, but it's very well printed, and I'm going to show you here. Hang on. I hate them little dealies, but very easy to see symbols. Very nice. Very well printed. It's nice and dark. You know, it's not real faint. I can't stand those ones that are so faint you can't hardly tell what it is you're stitching. You spend more time on the paper pattern than you do actually stitching. But yeah, just gorgeous. Let me turn it over. Very nice. Very nicely done. Do like that. Just let me look at that picture again. I don't know, the picture was kind of weird, if you will. I'm gonna try to bring you down so you can see all the details. But this little guy, he just looks like an alien. I don't know. He's just weird. But I do like the wings. Lots of gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Ugh. Yep. So I don't know if you could change that or not. You know, I mean, I don't know. He just looks kind of weird. Looks like a person. Kind of odd. So I don't know how much of all that detail will show up. I'm not real sure. But it is gorgeous looking. Gorgeous. Just the colors and the threads alone, it got me. What can I say? Alright guys, that's all from DPClubs. Now they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of those. They have a wide variety of everything. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section, and I do have a 15% off discount code, which will be in the description box below. So do check it out, and check out their store. They have lots and lots to offer. You know, if you can't find it there, you know, I'm telling you, you're just pretty picky. I don't know. They've got lots and lots of stuff. So check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.